welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and I'm about to go out with my friends. Wait, I want to show you guys the outfit because I'm actually obsessed. This is the dress. I hope it's in focus. It's from Pretty Little Thing and I love it. I love a good pink moment. You know, I'm feeling Barbie. I'm feeling confident. Anyway, I'm gonna vlog the rest of it on my phone because I don't want to bring my camera out, but I had to show you guys the look. I love the makeup I did. It's literally the same routine I do literally every single time, but this is only the, like, I haven't really been doing makeup lately, so I put it on. I was like, wait, who is she? I cannot get over Dylan copying my laugh. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're lying.
Good morning, beauties. Happy Tuesday. The last 72 hours have been the craziest 72 hours. I wish I could give you guys all of the tea, but you guys will know in a few months. Right now, Keenan and I are on our way to the beach to be there for the 4th of July, and we're having some friends meet us down there too, but we're heading down early, so we're really excited, and that's what's going on right now. And we're actually also going to stop at Zara because Keenan is going to pick up a 4th of July little outfit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and look at our matching little quarter zips. So cute. We have like a little bit of a theme for the 4th like outfits, so Keen's is going to go get his. But yeah, that's the update. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in the last few days because it's just been an absolute whirlwind, but I'm so excited for this beach trip. It's gonna be so fun. We made it to the beach. It is literally so beautiful. Slightly cloudy today, but the forecast for the next 2 days, it's literally gonna be so beautiful. I'm so excited. We're hungry, so we're gonna go look for a place to grab dinner. Okay, we went to dinner and it was so good. I was craving like a really good clam chowder and it really hit the spot. But we are both so exhausted, so we're getting ready for bed right now. Keenan is looking at a telescope to see if he can see any of the planets or the ships that are out on the water right now. So I'm kind of hoping that he gets it to work. But I want to do a little bit of skincare because I feel like my face always gets like super dry whenever I go on like a little trip. So I'm gonna try to like get ahead of the game, just like really hydrate my face. But our friends come in tomorrow and I'm literally so excited for this weekend to start. It's a long weekend, but I have like so many fun ideas and packed so many cute outfits for this weekend, and the people that are coming are amazing, so the whole vibe of everything is gonna be. I also brought some extra like face masks and skincare because I do kind of want to just like have a little bit of self-care while I'm here. I feel like the coast is like the perfect place to just like chill and like have some self-care. I feel so good moisturizing my face. I could definitely feel it getting dry. I'm just like so excited. Right now the vibes are amazing. Feeling blessed. I'm super tired, so I'm gonna go to bed, but I will see you guys in the morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to vlogs.
Good morning.
We're in beautiful sunny Los Angeles.
Hello, good morning beauties. It's Wednesday today. Right now I'm just getting ready. I just curled my hair a little bit. Hopefully it stays. I feel like whenever I go to new locations, like sometimes my hair literally will not stay, and sometimes it's like literally the perfect setting for my hair to curl. So it really is like give and take. Sometimes it works out. Sometimes I'm like, why did I just spend that time doing that? We're gonna go into the little like coastal town of Cannon Beach. And then I honestly just like want to be ready. Like I think I want to take some cute pictures in this like beachy little set I'm wearing. Our friends are coming today. They'll come in later tonight, and then the weekend really starts, and you guys will get to see all of the 4th tea in next week's vlog. So make sure you subscribe, and you guys will see it on next Thursday. If you guys want to see anything in like real time, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I usually don't have to wait a week before uploading on there. So definitely check out my Instagram and TikTok. Those are both at BEAUTYALYSSAROSE. You guys, I am genuinely so excited for the outfits I packed. Like I ordered the cutest dress for this trip, and I just like have dresses that I have yet to wear because I was like waiting for the right occasion that I might bring out for this trip, and I'm so excited because they're so cute. I use quite a bit of Pacifica Beauty stuff. Like today I tried their dry shampoo, and this literally I could not have opened this package at a more perfect time, because this is their like surfer hair vibe hairspray with like coconut, sea salt, and vanilla. It smells amazing. I will let you guys know how good it is, but I was like reading the back, and it says Pacifica Beauty LLC, Portland, Oregon on like everything, like their SPF. I'm like, wait, I am from Portland, Oregon, and I currently live there. Yeah, and they are so kind and send me all of this. That's very rare, I feel like, for brands to be in the same area as me. I feel like everyone is always in like New York or LA or Europe. I'm just over here in Portland, so I actually really like that they're in the same area. I'm gonna film a get ready with me on TikTok, so I'll be right back when my makeup's done. The makeup and hair is done. This is the outfit. Super cute, just like beachy vibe. But I'm ready for the day. Definitely gonna take some pictures and just enjoy the beach. Morning. Happy 4th of July. It's currently Thursday, 4th of July, around like 10 in the morning. I am so exhausted. Last night was so fun. Everyone came in and we just like had dinner, chilled outside, and then like played some games inside, and it was honestly so fun. This is where the weekend begins, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and then the 4th of July and the whole weekend are going to be in next week's vlog, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys for being with me this week, bearing with me, because this week was so crazy. Like, I can't wait until you guys can have all the information. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye, beauties.